welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna show you the slimes that you guys picked. You guys picked my slime ingredients, and right now I'm showing you guys the base. You guys oh my god. So you guys picked what base? You guys picked clear. So we're gonna do a clear. Oh my god, what is this for? And you guys picked color yellow out of purple and yellow, so, and then pink out of the blue. So we're gonna do yellow and pink. And then you guys picked, yeah, food coloring, so we are using food coloring. And you guys picked the scent. So yeah, you guys said scent yes. So then I said Daisy clay, and then you guys said yes, and it's gonna be a clear base. So I don't know, I think, yeah, we're gonna do it. And then it says any add-ins. You guys picked fishbowl right here, fishbowl beads. Said what scents do you guys want, and then you guys picked out of this two, you guys picked cotton candy. So my Instagram followers were the ones that picked my slime ingredients. So if you're not following my Instagram yet, go follow it. I'll leave it down in the description down below. And yeah, you guys, like, so I was doing like a percentage that had a more. So now we're gonna do it, and let's go to the video. I'm gonna get my container, the part where we're gonna mix it. But it's so, all the glue is here, like, ew. I think I'm gonna wash it soon. Now I like clean it a little bit. I know it's still like ugly. I just like clean it a little bit, and I'm gonna get the clear glue that you guys picked. You guys picked the base clear. So now I'm gonna be opening it, and we're gonna pour it in there. And I might do an 8-ounce slime maybe. Okay, I think like that maybe. And you guys picked yes coloring. So I guess we're gonna put both, because pink and yellow one. So we're gonna pick this too. Let's see how it looks. And then we're gonna put 1 drop. I'm sorry for the background noise if you guys hear it. And oh my god, look at that. It looks so cool. It looks like, oh. Okay, so we're gonna put that one, and then we're gonna put pink. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it. Where's my, oh my god, where is it? Oh my god, where are you? Okay, be right back. I'm gonna look for it. I'm putting another handful of it. And now we're gonna mix. Look at that. Oh my god. How it turned out. Now I'm getting my borax. I'm gonna get more borax. I'm gonna go and get the other one. It's in my closet. It's a little bit too, so like, I'm gonna put some borax, which is 1 cup of warm water and 1/2 tablespoon, or 1 I think. I don't remember. And I'm just gonna put it in there and start mixing. This looks like the soda that's the name is Orange Crush soda, something like that. Okay, so this one's the one that reminds me of it. It should have been
better if you guys would pick like the orange, this one, the orange one, because it goes more with how it looks, look guys. But you guys picked cotton candy. Let's see how this turns out. So I'm still doing it.
Now, as you saw, this is a clear base line. So clear base slimes are supposed to, like, I'm supposed to leave it like some days sit by itself, so it goes clear. And yeah, because this is a clear slime, so we're supposed to wait. But you guys picked to put Daisy clay, so like, I don't know, I think we're gonna put it right now, because you guys picked putting Daisy clay on clear slime. And look, this is pretty. This is like fishbowl. But this cute. This is cute. Like, I like the color. You guys picked so cute. We're gonna do the ASMR with the basic color. picked Days to Clay was like the one that has more. It was like 57, and the other one was like 43. So I had to put Days to Clay as used in the other clip, and now this is how it looks, and it doesn't look like a clear slime anymore. But when you stretch it like that, you can see that it's a clear slime base. So yeah, this is how it looks now, and it's like a type of pinkish color, like a really light pink, and it's so pretty in real life. You can see it's more pretty. And the fishbowl beads are pink and normal, so it has like a little bit of fishbowl beads that are pink. It's really cute. I really like this slime. So we're gonna let it sit for some days and it's gonna be more clear, so you guys will see that. And I'll show it on my Instagram page how it now looks when it clears up, so you guys can see it over there. I think you can like, oh yeah, you can. So you can like spread it too. So now it's the time for the scent. So now we're gonna get the cotton candy scent. Since the slime's already pinkish, I think that's like way better to put the cotton candy because you guys picked these two colors. And when they were mixed, it looked like an orange. So it looked like more for the orange cycle. So yeah, the orange thingy, I don't know how to pronounce it. But now it looks more for cotton candy, so yeah, that's good. Oh my god, I'm so. And so now we're gonna put it, and that's it. Now we're gonna mix it. Since this is like a clear slime, but now it has some diesel, there's no problem with putting some scent, because when you have like clear slime, it gets cloudy when you put a scent. So there's no problem anymore. It smells so good. It's so pretty. It sounds like cotton candy and looks like cotton candy. But this is the result. I really liked it. Now I'm gonna do an ASMR of it, so wait for the end. Thank you guys. Go leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more slime videos. Bye. Thank you.